as the name suggests, zero click effectively means that the searcher is able to find whatever she is searching for without having to even click into a specific website. And with the application of Gemini and the generative AI led AI overviews, this has become a little more, or I would say even a lot more pronounced, which essentially means quite a few areas of concern for advertisers and brands are likely to understandably come up. Some of the ramifications, I think one part potentially may arise is an increased dependence on paid search. Because if people are not clicking on the SEO listings or AI overviews is taking a bigger chunk of share of the SERP real estate, then there may be a greater dependence on paid search ads, which may emerge, which actually or always win for Google primarily because they can really make more money. And at the same time, I think the implication for the advertiser would be a significantly elevated or inflated cost per clicks as well. So at NetElixir, we have commissioned the research. We have just taken about 1,000 keywords, and we are just trying to measure the impact using our technology as to what was the reduction? Was there even a reduction in the click-throughs as a result after the introduction of AI overviews? And we will be in a position to share these results after Labor Day. So basically after the 1st of September, we'll have the initial insights ready to share with all of you. It will be an important one because it may have a far-reaching implication on loss of direct traffic, decreased brand visibility, really looking at alternate metrics other than click-through rates and things like that. But stay tuned. I think we'll really continue this and make it almost like into a 3-part series only on this particular topic, because fundamentally we think that this is how generative AI will fundamentally change or reshape the entire search behavior. And as a result of which, it will also share as to what and how marketers deal with the search engine results page, as well as on the paid search strategies, what are some of the factors that the marketers should consider from a long-term future perspective when they really advertise on the paid search.